this is Civil 3D. We're going to go even deeper into grading because I know you guys absolutely cannot get enough. So I got a blank file here. As you can see, I just opened Civil 3D. I'm going to right click, create some surfaces, make it nice and plain and empty. Tool space, go in here, surface, surface. Right click point file, add. And you know the deal, we're going to add that same old point file we've been using. Contour, open. I'm pretty sure how we're going to work this is going to be the last video you're going to do before you do it by yourself without a video. So hope you're learning something. So that, make sure you put it in with pens, as we've been doing. We're going to draw an arc, polyline. So we're going to select a point. Actually, first we're going to go into surface, and we're going to find a good point to put it on because I didn't do it before this video. So what I just did was I added some elevations to this, and I want it to be at right around 90. And I don't know if I'm going to find that on the surface at all, but we can try. Pretty sure there's a point down here specifically at 90 at this bottom left corner. So I think that's about as close as I'm going to be able to get. Yeah. Oh well, we tried. Right here. So anyway, where was I? Polyline, arc, wait no. Select the point, like, here, arc, enter, second point, build that, and then it really doesn't matter how exactly you're going to build this, but it's kind of just being artistic, you could say. Alright, we're going to make a banana peel, but okay. So this is going to be kind of cool if you like. It's going to be cool. I enjoy it. So first we're going to do a grade out. That is, no. So what we just drew was the water of the lake. So imagine looking at this from the right side view. There'd be water right there. Okay. So we're going to go down to, how far are we going to go? 82. So we're going to go grade to relative elevation. Select this button, I think. We're going to select no. I don't really remember all these buttons. I just want to, not it. Here we go. Automatic surface creation. Alright, I think that's it. Contours and triangles. Okay. Okay. And then we're gonna click this button here. Select the surface. Style. It's gonna, yeah. Sign elevation. I forgot to make this a feature line first, so it's setting this to a feature line. We're gonna set it to the surface of surface 1, which means it's gonna, all the points are gonna align with this, which is not actually what we want. I lied. The elevation of our lake, like the water of it, is gonna be at 90. I don't see it. So now if we select this, we can go to elevation editor, and it doesn't have an elevation because nothing on the surface has an elevation. So what we're going to do is hopefully make this a little bit less painful. Set it to 90. Okay, so everything's 90. So what I did was I selected all of them, and then I just selected one box, changed it to 90, and they all changed to 90. Click OK. Like this. There. Go inward. Tiling. Relative elevation. We want that to be 80. Is it? No, it's 82. I think. Doesn't really matter. Slope's going to be 2, 2, 1. We'll see. So that's what happened. So there's a little surface in here, and that is the bottom of the lake, or at least was how it's derived. So what we can do now is we're going to select this, right click, object viewer, It's really hard to see with the triangles on, so we're going to turn those off. Right click. Surface style. Not what I wanted. Surface properties. There we go. That looks a little bit more like it. So there's another one. That's basically the bottom of the lake. Then we're gonna go. What are we gonna do? We're gonna go up from there at a 4:1 slope to 94 on both sides. So, no, grade to elevation, 94. Here. And we're gonna go here and outward. Yes. And it's gonna be 94. It doesn't really matter if you drew your lake like mine. It's gonna come out basically about the same. So this is 4. Yeah, 4:1. Oh, enter and then 4:1. Enter 4:1. So there it is. And then from there we're gonna go grade to distance.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about now. Just hit the light.
So select this one. We're gonna go out. Specify distance 10. A slope of 0. Wait, no. Select slope 0. 0. 0. 2. 0. That's not what I want. I'm gonna delete that. Try that again. Yes. Specify distance. Grade. Wait, no. So, grade is at 0. And then we did. So, there's no contours there because we didn't change the elevation at all. We graded. We changed. It's just a flat land, basically. And then from here, we're gonna go down to the surface. So, we're gonna go here. Select this outermost line. Click yes. Slope. It's gonna be 3:1. I clicked the wrong button. 3:1. And then again we're gonna go enter. 3:1. And then it's gonna go just dip down to the surface a little bit there. Some parts we have to cut and go back up to the surface, but now we're gonna use Object Viewer and see what we just did, because it's pretty cool if you ask me. Right click, Object Viewer. So it's not a very deep lake, as you can see, but the red is where we're going down and the green is definitely where we're going up. We have a little bit of cut there, and this is all cut. I think I might have messed up here or something. I gotta look at that. No, I'm sorry. So all that talk about red is cut and fill, yeah, whatever. I don't know what that. I think it's just whether that's the criteria you set. That's what that means. I know it sounds like craziness, but trust me, I know what's going on. So this little middle like ridge thing, we're gonna fix that because it's not supposed to do that. So I select this, and I do. I just don't understand why it's going up. It's weird. One thing if I turn the surface off and I can just select the gradings, I should be able to fix what I want to fix. So no display. Click OK. And then it should update somehow. Yeah. So all of our contours are off. I'm trying to get rid of the center grade. I'm not sure if I'm doing that. Let's delete it and see what happens. Okay, that's good. So we're going to do one more grading. Yeah. And we're going to try just a regular grade to elevation, because what we did to do before when we went down was we went just to relative elevation, which I don't know if that's what we want. So we're gonna try that again. Go down. Enter. elevation we're going to go to is 82. Slope, yep, is 2 to 1. Enter 2 to 1. And then we're going to see what happens. Probably going to shoot us a bunch of error messages. Nope. And there's no contours, but if I did turn them on, spectrum, right click, preserve surface properties. 2 meters, 10, I think that's what I want. Okay. And then select the surface, and we'll allow contours again. So what we can do now is we can go to right there. Crap. Right click, object viewer. There it is. That looks like a lake. So I don't really understand the relative elevation tool, as you can see, but we made a lake with the grading tool. It has. Alright, so we made the surface, and it obviously looks like a lake. So it's annoying to keep going to the object viewer and see what it looks like from the side. We're going to make a profile, and we've done that before. You know how to do it, or at least you should. Select Site 1. Proposed. We want major and minor. Center line is good. You're going to click OK. And just like we've been doing, draw a line. Okay. And then another thing we can do, if we wanted to make cross sections of it, which is in theory the same thing, we could. Oh, I know what we should do actually. But my computer froze a little bit, so we're gonna let it probably crash. Alright, I'm back. Gave me errors. It really does not like what I just did there. That's pretty crazy looking, man. I don't know. We're gonna undo what I just did. Jesus. That's crazy looking, man. I'm gonna pause it. Alright, so as you can see here, Civil 3D crashed. And I don't really feel like we're making the surface, so I'm gonna be doing all that. I'm just gonna submit this and say, I mean, I finished the grading, so well, I guess we're good on that. You don't really need to do the cross section for what the next project is you guys are gonna have to do. So I'll see you next time, and good luck.